Hello, this is just a short overview of how to complete Module 4 homework, which is the comparison of hedging techniques that any given company can use to protect themselves from currency fluctuations. What you have to start with is please start with reading Exhibit 11-3, the entire problem, which of course you will be using as a base. I have it on page 360 in my online textbook. However, that number can be different in your hardcover or in your paperback. Also, please read 11-2D, Comparison of Techniques to Hedge Payables. Next thing, I have provided you with a spreadsheet that actually has 4 tabs. The first one is an example. That's just showing you how it should look once filled out. And then you have 3 different tabs. One is for 5%. So these are pretty much the tabs that you're going to use in order to calculate your payables, your hedging. So the problem is asking you to use separate investment rates for different investment opportunities, and it also gives you forward hedge, money market hedge, and call options. So this spreadsheet is calculating all of those options for you. What you have to do is this is what's given to you, Coleman, and what's given to you. Then you have you will fill out everything that's in yellow. So you have the strike price for the options. You have the options that you have to put in, options premium, and then you have obviously any assumptions that are given in the problem. The bottom part is all formulas, so your call option hedge result, the calculation will be in blue on the bottom. You will have money market hedge and you will have forward contract hedge. The first spreadsheet is at 5%, the second investment rate is at 6%, and the third one is at 9%. You have to fill out all of the yellow parts, save it, and that's your first step in homework number 4. The second step, you have the numbers, now you have to explain why. So you will take your forward contract hedge and say forward contract hedge is this, and we can use it for this. And then you will analyze the 3. Where was the forward contract hedge the best? Was it at investment rate 5%, 6%, 9%? Then you will do the same for money market hedge. Then you will do the same for call option hedges. You have to also look at, are there any benefits, any drawbacks to any of these hedging tools? Again, there are two steps in this homework. First is the calculation, and second is the explanation. So you will have to say which option was the best for each investment rate. So if we are taking investment rate 5, was call option hedge the best or forward contract hedge? And then you will have to see if the forward contract hedge was the best at 5%, 6%, or 9%, if the call option hedge was the best at 9%, 6%, or 5%. So the explanations are equally important as the calculations. Hope this helps. Of course, I'm going to be available if you need any help, if you have any questions. Do not hesitate to email me, call me. I will be happy to work with you. I'll talk to you online.